Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And this morning we're looking at the pegs that go, the plugs, that go in our step-up pegs. This is the side peg that goes in the side, like this. And this is the bottom plug, and it has a hole in it for letting the water out of your step-up peg. Now, it's very important that you realize that the files that we provide you from the GPA for the step plugs, which are a 3D printer file, the standard unit of measurement is inches. That's because it's American software and it's locked into being inches. So there's no problem with that, and Dan Baisley just redid them and redid the meshing so they print out a lot smoother, use a little less material. You get the idea. But the trick with these is that when you're doing 3D printing, you want to be very careful of your measurements. And the reason why I say that is, as John Horton will be happy to tell you, that if you get the measurements wrong, then instead of them looking to be this size, and here I'll put my finger in the reference so that you can get a feel for their side, if you don't get the measurements right and you think they're millimeters, you end up making a pair of plugs that are this size. They're roughly 1 over 2.5 times smaller, and here they are, like they're perfect for Barbie's little model Grumman. So it's very important that when you're doing 3D printing, you make sure that your measurements are either in inches or in millimeters. Millimeters is pretty much the standard. So we hope you found this little snafu useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.